Actually, guys, this is the first time I'm ever trying this, right? Here it goes. Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Guys, you should have seen this before it cooked. Trust me. Trust me. This is one ugly. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this pig nose stew and beans. First, I'm gonna start by cutting up 2 pounds of pig nose, right? And I'm using my chef stock knife right here, right? My German steel blade knife. Guys, I'll leave a couple link in the description below. Go ahead and purchase your German steel blade today. Trust me, it's awesome. Alright? So I'm just gonna go ahead and slice my pig nose, right? And you can cut it any size you choose, right? But for me, I'm gonna cut my one about this thick, right? And guys, trust me, you need to go and check out this knife. This knife is so awesome. First, I'm gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of green seasoning, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and rub it all together. Guys, trust me, it smells good though, I'm not lie. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it, I swear, you know, based on how it looks, but trust me, it smells good. Alright, now I'm going in with my pig nose, right? So I'm just adding it to the pot. Also gonna add some water, right? And guys, as you can see right here, I didn't add any oil, right? Because you want to boil this, right? So I'm just gonna cover it up and allow it to cook. So right here I have some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, thyme, onion, pepper, garlic, and spring onion, right? I'm just gonna go ahead and slice my garlic, right? Look how amazing this knife is. Guys, I'll leave a couple link in the description below, and you can also use my coupon code, right, to purchase this knife. Get 10% off. Now I'm cutting up my red bell pepper, right? Nice. Look how this knife, just look how awesome this knife is. Now my green bell pepper, right? I'm just gonna make some chunk slices. I'm not gonna cut this too small, right? Now my onion. Also my spring onion, right? Also my scotch bonnet pepper, and guys, you don't have to use a whole of pepper, just add pepper to your likings, right? Alright guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and check if my pig nose is cooked, right? And how you know when the pig nose is cooked is when you squeeze it and it have like a jelly like texture to it, right? Alright, this can take the season now, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of seasoning, right? And I'm going in with just my garlic, my onion, my spring onion, and my thyme. I'm not gonna put the bell peppers yet, right? I don't want the bell pepper to cook out too much, right? And I'm just gonna stir it, cover it up, and allow it to cook for 10 minutes before adding the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter, also gonna add my bell pepper, also my lima beans, and I'm using the canned lima beans guys because it's already cooked, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and stir. Alright, look how awesome this looks. Look how beautiful this is. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and taste it to see if it wants any salt. Alright guys, I'm just gonna add a little salt to taste, right? Stir again. Cover it up and allow it to cook for 5 minutes before I show you the finishing product. Alright guys, now look how beautiful this look. Look at it. No one that eats some, I tell the truth. I don't want to eat some of this. Now, here I have the finishing product right here. Well, look. To actually tell you the truth, it looks delicious, but I don't know if it tastes delicious, right? It's the first time I'm actually trying this, trust me. I don't know what fly in my head, right? Alright, and you can serve this up with whatever you choose, right? But for me, I know I'm gonna have mine with some white rice, trust me. Actually guys, this is the first time I'm ever trying this, right? Here it goes. I'm just kidding, it's actually good, trust me. Yum. Martin!